Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Malkani. My specialization in field of mechanical section at Electronic Service and Training Center. Electronic Service and Training Center has been established as a Government of India society registered in April 1986. Recently, ESTC launched ESTC Polytechnic Ramnagar in field of mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. We also provide training and services in computer area, electronics area, mechanical area, electrical area, PCB design and manufacturing. Also we provide courses in NILET A level, NILET O level, computer hardware repair, maintenance and networking, electrical CAD, PCB and design and manufacturing, certificate course in CNC milling, certificate course in CNC turning, certificate course in machine operations, basic welding techniques, post diploma in industrial automation and robotics, optical fiber specializer, ADMMA, advanced diploma management application, embedded system design, handheld products, domestic cum industrial electrician, room air conditioner and home appliances, solar PV installer, solar energy technology and applications, software PV solve, Tally 9.0 with JSP, advanced Tally, computer typing Hindi and English, core Java, Java programming, C and C++ language. Now we're talking about Creo parametrics. Creo parametrics provide the broadcast range of powerful yet flexible CAD 3D modeling software capability to accelerate the design of parts and assemblies. After completion of course, you should be able to describe following: understand the Creo parametric process of mechanical components, learn different tools in Creo for 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional mechanical drawing, work with models in feature manager and property manager windows, identify the appropriate tools to create the modification, the solid model, recognize the design intent and edit the design intent, make assembly drawing of different parts of mechanical components, identify the elements of an assembly and execute various assembly constants, save and print 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional mechanical drawings. Here is session plan of Creo parametrics topic. Day 1, introduction program, application of different CAD, history of CAD in Creo, technical terms related to Creo, toolbar customization, various visualization commands. Next day, introduction to Sketcher, user interface, introduction to Sketcher commands, Sketcher constants, dimensional and geometrical, create sketch with parametrics, commands, line, delete, trim and etc. Next day, identify sketch entities, commands like arc, circle, rectangle, offset, etc. Recognize the design intent, parameters, as dimension to the sketch. Next day, dimension to the sketch. Briefly, perform the default unit conversion in mm. Work with reference geometry, create work directory, commands. Next day, introduction of solid modeling, perform the extrude for solid, surface, thicken, cut, etc. Edit the design intent. Next day, perform the revolve for solid, surface, thicken, cut, work with difference geometry, work with the blend. Next day, work with the rotary blend, shape commands, create and modify curve features. Next day, work with the sweep, helical sweep, create, modify different type of hole, cell, etc. And other commands also in draft, trajectory rib, profile rib, and etc. Next day, create and modify different types of limbs, chamfers, create and modify curve features, perform the modify different types of patterns, geometry patterns, work with advanced commands, use the primary shape modification, commands merge, trim, extend, instant, etc. Conversion between solid and surface. Now next day, introduction to assembly modeling and component of an assembly. Extrude various assembly constants, how to use constants. Next day, execute the components reference to assembly reference, assembly constraints, use component pattern. Next day, modify the assembly components and constraints, perform troubleshooting for assembly constraints. Next, they create assembly engineering features, recognize warning and errors, how to resolve the warning and errors. Next, they create and modify the assembly pattern, exploding views and move components. Next, the use of manage the view options, create exploded views. Next, the introduction to drafting, create standard 3 views, model views. Next, day predefined views, standard section views. And next, annotations, notes, surface finish symbol, geometrical tolerance to the drawing views, add center mark, center lines to the drawing views, create one view type, practical drawing. And next day, assignments, final exam, feedbacks, and thank you.